it's your girl Leah and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be working on my nursery. I'm so excited. We just finished the baby shower, so now I can pour all of my focus and my attention into getting her room together, getting my nursery together. This is gonna be filmed in a few different parts, so I guess I'm gonna call this the nesting series. So the first part, like I said, I'm going to be painting her room. So I'm going to start with these 3 walls here. And then this main wall is going to be shiplapped or something like shiplap. We're going to see how it turns out because I ain't never did it before. But we're going to see, you know how I do. I just jump right in and we going to see how it turns out. But I basically already got the wood cut and everything. I just got to put it up. I got so much other wood in the other rooms over there, but I just got these laying here for right now. So that's going to be a video in itself as well. But today I'm just going to be painting these. There I am. But today I'm just going to be painting these walls. I'll go ahead and show you some of the materials I got. It's pretty much just what I always use. Paint rollers, frog tape, but I'm kind of being a little lazy, so I don't really feel like putting this up. A paint tray. Toolkit, because I gotta take off the outlet covers. And then I have this paint stick so I can get up high. And then I also have a step stool. And then of course I have paint. Got this from Home Depot. This is in the color Tornado. It's like a gray color, and the other wall is going to be like a white color. But this is really light, so I might take some other gray that I have downstairs, depending on how it's going to look when I get it on the walls. And mix it in there just to make it just a tad bit darker, but we'll see. So yeah, so I'll be 31 weeks tomorrow, 9 weeks to go. So I gotta go ahead and get this process started because there's a lot that I have to do. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Yay! All right, guys, so first things first, I am taking these outlet covers off, and then I am gonna go ahead and mix that paint. And y'all, I'm gonna try to do this all in one setting, but it's hard doing a voiceover, because you gotta know what parts is coming up next and all that. But anyways, here I go. I'm painting. I'm starting under the windowsill with the paintbrush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fix up my roller because I am gonna roll all that paint on the walls. Y'all know how to paint. It's very self-explanatory, but I do want to document this moment so my little one can watch it one day. I used that paint roller, that stick, and it was not the bomb. Like, it was not the business. So I switched it back to the regular paint roller. And here I'm just outlining the windowsills with the paintbrush, getting in all those nanny crooks and crevices that I can't get with my roller. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my small paint roller to get into these little smaller spots that my big roller can't get into. Honestly, I think I could paint every single wall with that small roller. I love it. It just does the job. See, it's just like goes on so smooth, gets around those outlets. Like, I like it, but can't do the whole wall with that. So here I am again, going down the corners, getting at the top of the windowsill with my paintbrush. And now I'm on to the second wall. I'm not recording every single wall because I'm doing literally the same exact steps every wall. but I am doing the smaller spaces with the smaller roller. And then I'm gonna switch over to a paintbrush here in a second, and it's like the 1.5 flat paintbrush. Y'all, that thing is the bomb. If you don't have one, get one. I got it from Home Depot. Not sure how much it costs, but it is the bomb. So I use that to go across all of the tops of the, I guess, like where the ceiling and the wall meet. So that thing worked really, really good. So if you don't have one, get one. I mean, you have to have a steady hand, but it really helps and makes the paint job go by fast, especially if you don't have the painter's tape up, like I chose not to use. But look at that. Like, it's just going, like, it goes right into that little angle right there. Like, I don't know what I'm talking about, but it is, if you don't got one, get one, okay? All right, guys, so I am done with the first coat. I'm not sure that it's gonna need a second. I mean, in certain places it will, that I can see that like white is still shining through, but for the most part I think it was really, really good coverage. Yeah, so let me show you what we got. You know, you can see that some of it is still wet paint by the shine, you see, but for the most part we got everything done. And what I'm gonna end up doing is like taking some like white ceiling paint and white trim paint and like getting all the little imperfections where I got paint on the trim, because I didn't feel like using painter's tape. And as far as this wall here, I would have most definitely used painter's tape to break these up, since it's gonna be two different colors. But because this wall is gonna have the shiplap on it and the corners of it isn't gonna be seen, I didn't feel like it was necessary because it's gonna be hidden behind wood anyway. So yeah, I mean, this is what it's looking like as of right now. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna put a second coat. I'm gonna bring a fan up here, let it dry, put a second coat in the places that it needs to have one. And then I will come back tomorrow in the morning when the sun comes up and let y'all see exactly how it looks. But I love the color. I didn't have to put any paint, like any darker paint in it to like make it a little bit darker. Again, the name of this paint is Tornado, and it's in the Glidden brand, Glidden, not sure how to pronounce it, but it is from Home Depot. So yeah, so this is the first part of the project, and again, I will be back in the morning for you to see the final results of just the paint. Okay, see ya. Hi guys, so it's day 2. And I know I said I was gonna film this morning, but it was like raining, it was gloomy, so it's nighttime now, and the paint is completely dry. It looks so good. This is what it looks like here. And I can show you this off a little better. So this is what it looks like. Actually, I'm gonna flip my camera around. So give me 1 second here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And all I have to do now is just put those outlet covers back on. I already put them on this wall here and this wall here. So I just wanna show you like a few of the imperfections. So I got like paint on the side of, let me back it up. I got like paint on the side of the wall, so I'll just take some trim paint and fix that up there. And Some down here on the bottoms of the baseboards. I got a little paint down there, so I'll take some trim paint there and fix that up. You can see here, I got a little paint on, you know, here, like on the other wall. So, okay, there we go. Got a little paint there on the other wall, but it really didn't matter because we're gonna put these boards up. So that'll be my next video. But all in all, I really like the color. Wish you could see it really good, but that's the color. It's called Tornado Gray. And yeah, that's that. All right, y'all, so thank you so much for watching this video. Again, I'm gonna have a series of videos coming here. So the next one will be me putting these the plywood on the wall and this whole process here. This outfit. I look a mess. But anyways, I forgot I had this on. But yeah, so the next video is gonna be just me putting the plywood up on the wall. I'll be like painting it, well, setting it down and painting it while it's on the wall. So stay tuned for that video. And as usual, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like my vibe, then hit the subscribe button down below. And I will see y'all in my next video.